Flo, get serious. That's a devastating hurricane out there. It's got 150-mile-an-hour winds. Bet you Manilow never even had a stiff gust named after him.
All right. That's enough. I have had enough of you trashing Barry Manilow!
I beg your pardon, Miss Sullivan?
I said, get off Barry's case. In my opinion, he happens to be one of the finest musicians of the past few decades.
Mac, you better call a doctor. This girl is burning up with fever.
I feel perfectly fine. The man is a great songwriter, a talented singer, and a fine performer.
Is that so?
That's so.
Says who?
Says me.
Ha ha! Well, it may very well be, but you cannot deny that he is...
He's what?
He's... modern!
Oh, God, let's shoot the poor sot.
Well, Mel Torme must not have thought he was too bad if he cut an album with him.
That is a desperately sick lie.
That is the truth.
Mac, say it ain't so.
It's so. There, sir. What happened?
Oh, Harry's crushed that Manilow and Torme did an album together.
I felt the same way when Alvin and the Chipmunks broke up.
Why don't you just let that thing go condo and get it over with?
Hi, everybody.
Hey, Art.
There's nothing to be ashamed of, sir. Sometimes thunder still frightens me a little bit, too.
Art, go play with your blowtorch.
Yeah, plant it, sir. I gotta secure the signal tower up on a roof. We got some wind gusts up around 80 miles an hour now.
80 miles an hour?
Yeah, I'd say that's about right. $20 a pair. Guaranteed not to ride up.